In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add the calendar widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. So first, long press on an empty space on your home screen, and in the edit menu that appears, tap on the option labeled Widgets. Under Widgets, scroll until you find the calendar category. Then you should see all types of widgets that you can add to your home screen. So once you've selected the widget you wish to add, just tap on it, then select Add. And then to move it around, you can just drag it on your screen. If you wish to move it between home screens, then just drag it across the border. And then to place it, just let go of the screen. So now, if you wish to customize it, long press on the widget, then select Settings. And you can choose to have it in white and black. And you can also customize the opacity of the widget as well as having it match with dark mode. And once you've customized the widget to your liking, tap on Save and the changes will be applied automatically. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.